Hey guys, so today a quick video of everything I packed for Antarctica as well as Argentina. I got back this month from the Hondius ocean-wide base camp trip, 14 days, maybe 13 days, I don't remember, and 2 weeks in Argentina, so basically a month worth of packing for both parts of the trip. I will note, if you look at the list, I did laundry twice on the Hondius, because I think most people here are going to log in for the Antarctica part rather than the Argentina part. In Argentina, I had my own laundry machine in my Airbnb. So this is what I packed, and a quick note to what I wish I packed. The only thing that I would say I failed on was my day bag. My day bag I've had forever, and I actually just changed it out because I realized it was time. Besides not being a stable bag to be carrying day to day, it had some dust in it, some other things. It was kind of embarrassing because everything you're going to bring on the continent is going to get fine point inspected. They're looking for extra hairs, they're looking for food, they're looking for whatever. And I don't know what was in my bag. I've had it for 20 years. So I wish I bought a new bag, and my bag was not adequate to carry enough stuff. It was a very small day bag because I was just thinking camera, maybe a bottle of water. What I did not consider was snowshoes, which needed to fit in the bag. They did not. Luckily, I had my trusty Velcro straps. I was able to connect that with the bag. And then the second thing that I didn't plan on and I didn't buy but intentionally, but I had, was make sure all of your pockets have zippers. You do not want anything falling out of your pocket. Obviously you don't want to lose things, but you also don't want to be that guy or girl that affects the environmental nature down there. Some of the stuff I actually had left on the ship, so that way my trip to Argentina would be easier, and I let things go kind of along the way. If anybody's followed my blog for a long time, you've read my articles on how I travel with carry-on only. This particular trip did not happen, I'm embarrassed to say, for the first time in 10 years. I had to do whatever, I had to check a bag. It sucked. But anyway, here's what I packed. Hope this helps you guys.
All right, forgive the messy bed, but this is what I'm packing for Antarctica. And I'll give you guys a review and tell you if it was sufficient or not. And I love to wear black, and my sheets are black, so hopefully the color doesn't blend in too bad. But most important thing, our Antarctica flag. All right, all my documents and stuff, and this includes documents for Argentina, boarding passes, trip information. I've got my fleece sweater, I have 2 pairs of thermal pants, 1 pair of snow pants. I've got my main gloves. I got backup gloves in case I lose my main gloves, my glove liners, my hat, backup hat, the parka, of course, a scarf, waterproof bag, waterproof for cell phone, headgear because I got long hair, swimwear for the polar plunge, 1 outer thermal layer, 3 t-shirts, packing cubes, which this is like 5 and 5 on socks and underwear, but I'm gonna pack a lot more. Whatever I can fit in the remainder of the bag will be filled with socks and underwear. 2 watches, my seasick pack. I'm not a doc or anything, but you know, take what you need. iPad for entertainment, books for entertainment. I am going to be spending time in Argentina, so I did bring some dress shirts, a pair of shorts. Now my photography gear, I've got that bag for the camera, power shot, waterproof camera, hour cube, charging, tripod attachment, extra batteries, international charger, COVID test just in case, 2 pairs of sunglasses, 1 pair of regular glasses, contact lenses, toiletry bag, money belt, hair stuff, binoculars, selfie stick, tripod. It's all going to fit ideally into that bag. And then I also have mountaineering boots for the expedition. I don't know if I'm just going to bring that as is in that box or try to clip them onto that bag. I don't know. But that's what I got. Let's do this.
Right, I hope that helps you guys. I am looking forward to doing a video on Antarctica. I don't know if it's going to be a quick video, a short video. I don't know, but I definitely will once I have time. I have forever been called 6 of the 7 continents on YouTube, on Instagram, and my blog. I don't know if I'm going to change it because, I don't know, it's just kind of a thing. And I think 6 of the 7 continents is very, very easy for a lot of people. I don't know if Antarctica for the budget traveler is that easy. I will not say it's impossible. I learned a lot. I'm going to include that too in the future articles and the future videos. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a good one.